How to download your information on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account using your email address. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings, scroll all the way down, and you will find Download Your Information below Your Information. In here, simply click on Download Your Information, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Continue, then click on Download or transfer information. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Available Information or the second one. Click on Download to Device. Then click on Create Files. After that, your information is being prepared. This will be sent to your mail. This is how to download your information on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.